So let's strategize how we might make a complicated search a little bit more broad. So let's say I have a 24-year-old patient who presents with chronic kidney failure, and she has also developed gestational diabetes, and you need to do some research on what's going on here. We're going to ignore the fact that she's 24 years old, but we are going to talk about two important concepts here. We're going to talk about her chronic kidney failure, and we are going to also talk about her gestational diabetes. So what we want to do is, when we're talking about these concepts, we want to make sure that we get everything that we want to look at. So what you might call chronic kidney failure, I might call something else. So we're going to look for a couple synonyms, because when we do a search, we use the word "or" in our searching to make sure we're getting more concepts covered. And we use the word "and" to join terms together to get more specific. So I'm going to look for all of the articles that have discussed chronic kidney failure, but I also want to look for some of the synonyms, because I'm going to join these two concepts together here with an "and." But I want to make sure I get all of the things that this concept talks about. So I might talk about chronic kidney failure. I might call it CKD, chronic kidney disease. I might call it renal failure. And I might call a host of other things. I might call gestational diabetes just straight up diabetes, or maternal diabetes. So I am joining these three terms together here with the word "or." So I'm looking for anything that talks about gestational diabetes or maternal diabetes. I'm looking for anything that might talk about chronic kidney failure or chronic kidney disease or renal failure. And I'm going to join these together. So I might build a search that looks for chronic kidney failure or chronic kidney disease or renal failure and make this my first search here. And I also might develop another search that talks about gestational diabetes or maternal diabetes and make that my second search. So each one of these searches might bring back 1,000 results. But when we look at combining search 1 and search 2, we might just get 50 to 100 results, which is great. So I don't want to look through 1,000 results. I want to look through 50 to 100. So by joining like terms together, we create these search concepts, and then we can join these search concepts together by using the word "and." In the next video, we'll show this in a real-life practical application. We can talk about it using either CINAHL or PubMed.